Seedance 2 has been blowing up across the AI space recently, with its insanely realistic video generation that honestly makes it hard to tell what's real anymore. So if you've been wondering how to actually try it yourself, what if I told you there's a platform that gives you access to Seedance 2 and a bunch of other AI tools? And in this video, we're putting it all to the test. So make sure you like and subscribe and check out my Discord, link in the bio. So right here we have the AI tool, and from the very get-go, it's clear that there is an incredible amount you can do with this platform. They even have Seedance 2 integrated here, which is currently ranked as the #1 model on the AI video generator scale. It doesn't just stop at Seedance 2 though. They also have Cinema Studio 3, which is just as impressive and delivers high-end results. If you scroll down a bit, you can see exactly what people have been generating using Seedance 2. And the quality is honestly breathtaking. When you look at these clips, they really make you question what's real and what's AI. To be honest, this is exactly what we should expect in 2026. Stunning generations that feel completely ultra-realistic. As we keep moving down the page, you'll notice this tool is much more than just a video generator. It's a massive central hub for all things AI, including tools for creating images, advanced video editing, and even built-in motion control with Soul 2 and Soul ID. Essentially, if you're looking to do anything related to AI, image, or video generation, this is your one-stop shop. They've gathered most of the heavy hitters currently on the market, like Nano Banana Pro, Kling 3, Seedream 5, and of course, Seedance 2. If you scroll down even further, the level of realism on display here is truly unmatched. Some of these images don't even look like they were generated by an AI at all. For instance, take a look at this one right here of the guy drinking from a cup. The lighting and the textures look incredibly lifelike. If I stumbled across this on Pinterest, I would 100% think it was a real photograph. That is the kind of professional output you get from Higgsfield AI. The capabilities aren't limited to random generations either. You can see here we have a generation that looks remarkably like Millie Bobby Brown, and the accuracy is just spot on. If I scroll back up to the top and hover over the image tab, you can see the full suite of tools available. Everything from standard image creation and face swapping to image upscaling, in-painting, relighting, and plenty of others. They even have dedicated features for creating an AI influencer. When it comes to generative power, they really have everything covered, including Grok Imagine. Trust me when I say that if an AI tool is worth using, it's probably on this site. Now, if you hover over the video section, you'll see the top-tier models listed, with Seedance 2 clearly featured as a primary option that you can start using right now. Before we dive deep into Seedance 2, which is the main focus of today's video, because of those hyper-realistic results, I want to quickly test out the image generator first. Simply hover over Image and click on Create Image to pull up the interface. Right away, you'll see the prompt box ready to go. All you have to do is type in a straightforward prompt, like realistic image of a woman sitting on her bed. Once that's in, you can click the Model Selection menu to see the different engines available. You've got Higgsfield Soul, Seedream 4.5, Nano Banana, and Grok Imagine all in one place. For this specific test, I'm going to go with Higgsfield Soul because it's specifically designed to handle these highly realistic generations we saw earlier. I'll set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for a vertical look, and while I can push the quality all the way up to 2K, I'll leave the settings as they are for now. I'll keep the batch size at 1 and hit Generate. The AI gets to work immediately. And in no time at all, our image is ready. Let's click on it to expand the view. If you zoom in close, the detail is actually astonishing. It looks perfect, nothing like those lower quality, uncanny generations you often get from basic AI tools. This is a professional grade result, and you can download it directly to your device with just one click right here. Now, let's move on to the main event, Seedance 2. I'll click over to that interface now. And honestly, Seedance 2 is absolutely taking over the AI space right now. The realism is so intense, it leaves you wondering how this is even possible. On the dashboard here, you can see Seedance 2 is selected. You have the option to upload your own media, like images, videos, or even audio to guide the generation, but for now, I'll just use the prompt box. I'll type in a simple prompt here. And you can even add specific elements to fine-tune the scene. I'm also going to keep the audio generation turned on, as it adds a much more immersive and lively feel to the final video. Scrolling down, I'll double-check that Seedance 2 is selected. You can choose between the standard version and Seedance 2 Fast, but I'm sticking with the standard version for that crisp, high-fidelity finish. If you look at the duration settings, you can actually generate up to 15 seconds of footage, which is insane considering the complexity and realism involved. I'll set this one to 8 seconds with a 9:16 aspect ratio. I'll keep the quality settings as they are and hit generate. The video is processing now, and I'm genuinely intrigued to see how Seedance 2 handles this prompt. Let's give it just a moment to finish up. Okay, it's done. And this is honestly remarkable. Look at the skin textures and the way her hair flows naturally in the wind. Most AI models really struggle with that, but this looks incredible. Even the cars driving in the background look perfectly integrated. There's nothing here that gives it away as an AI generation. This perfectly demonstrates the amazing capabilities of Seedance 2. It's truly mind-blowing. Again, you can just click here to save it straight to your device. Let's try one more prompt to see how it handles action. I'll clear this out and type, realistic video of a woman running from a bear in the woods. I'll keep the audio on and maintain all my previous settings, ensuring Seedance 2 is the active model, and hit generate. The video is ready, so let's take a look. The attention to detail here is fantastic. What I really love is the camera work. It captures the entire scale of the scene perfectly. It's smooth, high stakes, and looks like a real movie clip. Finally, let's test out generating a video by uploading an image. I'll use the image we generated earlier and upload it right here. Once it's uploaded, the AI confirms it's ready, and I can add a specific prompt to bring it to life. I'll type, she gets up, does a 360 turn, and walks away stylishly. I'll keep the settings consistent and hit generate. So far, Seedance has consistently impressed me with its generative power and how well it follows directions. Let's give it a second to wrap up. And there it is. That is a beautiful result. It followed the prompt instructions with total excellence, and that's exactly why Seedance 2 stands out from every other tool on the market right now. So that's a quick look at what's possible here. I highly recommend you go and check this out for yourself. I'll put the link in my bio. The platform is Higgsfield AI, and as you've seen today, the results really speak for themselves.